With CloudOffix, you have everything in one place to manage appraisals seamlessly, from start to finish. Emily is on her way to create a fully customized appraisal plan. This appraisal plan will only be for one of the employees, Henry Felix. So Emily chooses Henry from the drop-down employee list. She chooses her appraisal type as both competence and goal. For the competence settings, she chooses to add the survey created in the survey app for using in the appraisals. For this appraisal, Emily only wants Henry to be evaluated by himself and his manager. She makes sure to define the percentages as well. She moves on to the adjust setting for the goal part. She defines who will set the goals and the performance responsible. For her last step before starting the appraisal, she defines the goals for Henry one by one. And states the weight of each goal. With everything set, Emily can now start the appraisal plan. After hitting the Start button, the company goals are also automatically added to the appraisal plan that are defined earlier. What Emily needs to do is set the weight and goal values for each of the company goal. And once she is done, she can mark the activity as done. She enters Henry's appraisal plan. Checks everything one last time, and clicks the Start button. Next step is setting the personal goal values for each goal. Emily sets the personal goals for Henry as the responsible person. After she completes, she marks the activity as done. And the appraisal plan moves to the in-approval stage. Now it is time to discuss these personal goals with Henry and make sure everyone is on the same page. Once the goal negotiation is done, she marks the activity as completed and approves the defined goals to start the evaluation. As soon as she clicks on the Start Evaluation button, an automatic survey is sent to Henry and his manager, Dennis. Now it is time for Emily to update the company goals and fills out the achievement part. Henry's manager, Dennis, moves on to updating the personal goals of Henry. For each goal, she enters what Henry achieved, and the system calculates his score and achievement percentage as Dennis enters the values. The next step for Dennis is to complete the appraisal survey for Henry's evaluation. She answers each question in the survey carefully and submits her responses. When Henry also completes the appraisal survey, Emily marks the activity as done. Emily checks Henry's scores and completes the evaluation. From goals to results, CloudOffix keeps everything in one place. Your team stays aligned, productive, and focused on what truly matters.